Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation, finishing up with our covered deck project in Forsyth, Georgia. Had a little bad weather which set us back on the finish details, but we've got things wrapped up now. Another really nice job. Isaiah, Macario, and Jose with their usual quality work. George Robertson and Larry and Duran put a nice coat of Sherwin-Williams Super Deck on it. Did Guardian metal screw-on balusters. Nice finial details. We used the camo hidden fastener system, so there's no screw heads. Included a little door jamb repair. Good metal and gutter tie-in. Star Electric put a circuit in, got the fan up for us. Vinyl ceiling's gonna be nice for them to clean. Gives a good look. Guys put a little slope on this roof. Makes this space seem higher. Nice beam work. We did a mule hide, two-part cap and base sheet up top. It's compatible with CertainTeed's Flint Elastic system, basically the same product. 5-inch gutter to match the house, single downspout. Poured concrete footings, construction hardware everywhere it's needed. Didn't stain underneath of the deck, client wasn't worried about it. And this job is a wrap. So if we can help you out with your outdoor living spaces, decks, privacy fences, sunrooms, please give us a call. We've got the crews, experience, and equipment to make it easy for you the first time. 478-501-0102. And thank you for watching.